This is the 2020 Ram ProMaster with a Tempest conversion, and it is also outfitted with a Braun under vehicle lift known as a UVL. Simply slide the door open, grab the hand pendant, pushing the down button will deploy the ramp. One of the nice features of this particular lift system is there is no obstruction in the doorway. So whether you're using the ramp or not, you have ambulatory access into the van. Lift is brought down to ground level. Chair rider is loaded onto the platform. And then the lift is raised up to floor level of the van. This also gives you complete access to the entire floor for larger chairs or more storage. Rear seat can accommodate up to 4 passengers and fold down into a bed. When completing the loading procedure, the lift can be lowered and stowed into its separate cartridge underneath the vehicle. Another great benefit is the rear storage of this vehicle. As we come around to the back, there's ample space for luggage storage, which you do not find in the smaller minivan platforms. This vehicle also has a drop-down DVD player for rear seat entertainment. Front seats are heated, and this vehicle does have Bluetooth and navigation systems. So did you have any more questions about the Ram ProMaster Tempest? Feel free to give us a call at Superior Van & Mobility. Thank you very much and have a good day.